All right, guys, we got a 1995 Chevy Silverado 1500. This was his grandpa's truck. It's only, when he got it, it had only 70,000 miles on it, guys. In 2 years, he's only put 10,000 miles on it. It's really, really clean. So it's only got 80,000 miles on it now. Anyways, what we did for him is put a high flow converter, 2.5-inch pipe, and then he wanted it out the side. So that's what we did. We gave him a side exit because that's what he wanted right there. There's the side pipe with a dual tip out the side. Came out clean. Really nice clean truck. You guys can see. For a 95, you can't find them this clean anymore. It's very rare. There's the exhaust on it, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And what else, Jared?
Post notifications.
Post notification. Hit that notification bell. Go. Oh, so much better. Yes. I like it. What do you think? You like it? Z71. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 111. Go ahead and back it up. So I had a Flowmaster Super 10. There's the intermediate pipe and the two tailpipes. It was just all rotted out. So he's like, just cut it all off and make it sound good. So we did side pipes. Oh, you can't beat that. Nice high flow cap. Gives it a really deep tone. You can hear it. It sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 1500, high flow cat, side pipes 2.5 with dual tip.